Hey guys, guess who looks like a disgusting ghost in a place that has the worst audio quality ever? It's me. I'm in my bathroom and I'm filming a freaking hair video for you guys. Since my last hair video, my hair has grown like so much. When I take off this hat, y'all gonna be like, oh my god, that's a lot of hair. Oh, my hair. It's just long and it's boring and it needs some sparkle. My ideas for the designs for this hair, I really want to do one side that's spider web and like a spider hanging down off of it. Very spooky. And then the other side, I was thinking about doing bats going up the side of my head, you know? Because I mean, I'm the Thebatbabe, so. But I don't know. I'm not the best at drawing bats. I'm terrible. Somebody revoke Thebatbabe title from me. I don't deserve it. We're gonna try. We're gonna see. I need to take off this hat eventually, don't I? Y'all don't freaking judge me, but hello. This is how long my hair is. Alright, I'm gonna shave the sides of my head and I'll see you guys in a minute. Cause I gotta get this crazy hair under control. The sides of my head are nice and smooth now, ready for some designs, and I am a unicorn. I'm gonna start off with doing the roots of my hair first and then putting the lightener on the sides of my head because I've got such tiny little baby hair there and this will take longer to lighten than my head will. It honestly looks so cute, just blonde. So I think I'm gonna start off with my bangs first, just because I kind of know what I want to do there. And then I'm gonna work on the sides.
I got water in my gloves and I hate that.
So what I've decided to do on this side is to do stripes of colors. I might do like wavy stripes, kind of like what I did on my head when I did my rainbow hair. And on this side, I think I'm going to do drips with the color coming down and then go over like the edge of the drips in black to really just make it big and bold and fun. Since I've got yellow going on right here, I think I'm gonna start with yellow. This is like such a weird spot on my head to try to look at. Like my eyes feel like they're gonna pop out of my skull. They're just going to vacate my freaking head because I'm abusing them right now by trying to look behind my ear. Oh my god, you can probably see that better. And I can see behind my ear so much better. Oh my god, guys. Look, we found a solution. Editor Bat here. So I realized that you can't see what I'm doing at all when I'm doing the drips.
Yo, I suck.
But since I suck, I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So here's a picture of the drips all done, but I wanted to show you what I did. So I mean, like, what's a tutorial without like the steps? You know, not a tutorial. I decided that I kind of wanted to frame it out. I wanted to have like one long drip towards the back and then one cute small drip at the front. And then I kind of just did whatever in between. And that's the great thing about drips, is you can really get creative with it. It doesn't matter. Nothing has to be perfect. After I did the drips, I brought the orange up. I didn't worry about getting like a little bit of orange on the edge of the purple drips because I was just gonna go over the very edge of the drips with black anyways, so there's no real use for precision because the black is just gonna take it over. That's all I'm gonna tell you for this part. I'll explain the rest of it once we get there. I'll be back tomorrow in the morning to finish this up. I'm really excited because, I mean, this looks really cute. I wanted to add more color into it, but I mean, I only have such a big head. This side's gonna look really cool with the spider web and the spider hanging down from it. And then I'm gonna go over the edges with the black to really just make it bold. Y'all, see you in the morning. So last night when I was washing out my hair, some things happened. The purple started running, it made the orange a little bit darker here, and it got really into this little bit here, and it made it kind of like red looking. What I had to do last night and why I got more color on there is because when I saw it running, I just grabbed my shampoo bottle and just squirted a whole bunch of shampoo on my head and just really scrubbed it out so it didn't have a chance to like stick to the other hair, which was good. It was a really great idea. I just faded it out right away. I'm just darkening it up a little bit, really slathered on the orange there and just lightly painted on some purple. I put more orange into this. I'm not sure how this is gonna come out. It looks like just solid red. When I wash this out and see what's going on, I might make it like red to orange, and I might go around the edges of the purple drips once I'm done with red to tie it in, because I can't just have like red in one spot and not have it anywhere else. So I'm using a paintbrush instead of a Q-tip for this. I thought it'd be a little bit more precise to do the spider webs with. My method of going about this, I'm gonna start up here and, you know, branch out like that, and then do the little, you know, thingies. Beautiful wording, I explained that wonderfully, didn't I? I'm gonna branch it out and do the thingies. editor bad is back because I'm terrible. Yeah, you can't see what I did for outlining the drips either, so I'm just gonna let you know. I outlined it really easy, you know, just took the paintbrush, went around the edges. After letting the black sit for a little bit, I decided that I was gonna work in some red, but I decided to just go ahead and fill it in and then kind of fade it into the orange. So the orange is like just a small bit down here, but it goes drips, outlined with black, then red, and then orange. And I love it. I think it gives a lot of dimension. It's not just like purple drips on an orange background. It's purple drips with a really nice clean outline on a background that fades from red to orange. Like, ooh, it's spicy, if I do say so myself. Sometimes things get a little bit messed up and you just gotta roll with it, you know? Use it to your advantage, make it even better. That's what I did. Other than, you know, not being able to film it at all, at least made it look cute. All right, on to the video. Y'all, it came out so good. I'm so excited. Look at these bangs. Honestly, oh my god, I love it. I love color block. I love it. Oh my god. These are not only some of my favorite colors, but they're also Halloween-y, and it's like a combination of my two loves, Halloween and beautiful bright colors. I really enjoy the spider web, because I mean, spiderwebs are fun. My hair turned out, oh god, it turned out so good, and I'm so happy because there was a moment there that I was a little afraid that shit was hitting the fan. I was taking a shower and I just see colors and I just see red and I'm like, what? And I'm like looking and I'm like, that doesn't look like it should. And my bangs, I'm so glad that like the purple from the bangs didn't bleed onto the yellow. Like, see, you can put dark colors next to light colors and things be perfectly fine. But every once in a while, I don't know. It's like sometimes you're just spinning a wheel and it lands on clusterfuck. What are you gonna do? You just gotta roll with it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting new videos every week. All of them are gonna be Halloween themed for the month of October because I'm excited about Halloween. I don't know about you guys. If you guys have any suggestions for new hair that you wanna see me do, I always love your guys' suggestions. Now I do have a lot less space to work with since I'm only doing the sides of my head, but I can still work some cool stuff on there. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!